this little French style cafe on this corner. Honestly, I don't really know where it's at. It took us probably 20 minutes or so from our Airbnb to get here, but it's this little French style restaurant with like French toast, waffles, pancakes, smoothies, coffee, all stuff that we're kind of used to and we really miss. And so we found some to eat. So that place was, on a scale of 1 to 10, it was probably like an 8.5. But it was very good, just like, 'cause we haven't had any kind of like breakfast food like that since being in Thailand. So having that was really, really helpful, just as like a mental, and I mean, it was delicious. So glad we got that. So I don't know if you guys can hear me very well. I'm down by Kosan Road and it's really loud. But right now we are waiting for our bus. We had to be out of our Airbnb at 12 o'clock. So we came down here. We've been waiting since 12 o'clock. It's about 7:20 now. Our bus leaves at 8. So we've been down here like almost 8 hours now. We're about to leave. We're on our way to Chiang Mai on a night bus. Like I said, it's really loud, so I don't know if you can really hear me or not. If not, I'll just do this video again. But yeah, I haven't been vlogging much because all we did today was packing and coming down here to Kosan. And really, we just sat in McDonald's all day using the Wi-Fi. So really, there wasn't much to vlog, nothing really interesting. So the last couple of days and today and tomorrow, it's all gonna be in one vlog. I don't know how big it'll be, probably a normal size, but I will keep you guys updated. So I will see you on the road. Yes, sir. So this isn't weird at all, but we're just following this guy on a scooter to meet up with the shuttle. It's a little sketchy, but oh well. So this is our room tour. So this place is pretty sweet and it's really nice. We got our TV, probably won't use that. We got our office chair. We got all the appliances, coffee, toaster, coffee cups, hot water, fridge. So we even got this little balcony, which is pretty cool. Got this little thing. Bed, closet, AC is a must. Over here, got a little dresser, get ready mirror thing, bathroom, sink, and we even got hot water. Hot water is a must. We did not have hot water in our last place, which is okay because it was really hot and a cold shower felt really good. But I'm definitely ready for a hot shower. But this place is pretty nice. We are in Chiang Mai right now. We got here this morning about 7 o'clock. It's about 7:30. The bus here was awful. We actually rented a sleeping bus and ended up just getting a normal bus, and it was through the night and it was not comfortable at all. But We got here this morning, and my cousin actually lives in Chiang Mai, and she's not here right now, but her best friend came and picked us up, took us to the market. We went and looked at flowers because she wanted flowers for her house, which was kind of cool because we got to see a little bit of the local side of the market. And then she brought us here, or we actually went to breakfast first, I forgot. And then she brought us here, and this place is awesome. This is on Airbnb. This actually cost us $8 a night. So really good value and definitely worth it. So we'll probably take a nap now, maybe wake up later and go do something fun. Alright, so I'm at the room. I actually walked to go and get the bike. There it is, right there. So that's the bike. It costs 200 baht a day. I got it for 3 days, so it's about $19, $6 and some a day US. So you could probably find cheaper, but it's a really good deal. It's definitely, since we're gonna go and then be seeing some waterfalls, some elephants and stuff like that, it's definitely worth getting a bike because it would cost us $6 just to go one way to some of those places, if not more. So I'm really stoked that we got a bike. This is my second time riding a bike in another country. It was honestly a lot of fun just getting back to the room. It is a little confusing because they drive on the left side of the road, which is totally different from the United States. And so it was a little difficult getting used to that, but it's honestly a lot of fun. I love it. Allison is in the shower right now. We are getting ready to jump on the bike and head up an hour north. I think it's north. And we are gonna go to a waterfall. I hope there's not a lot of people. It is a little cloudy. I think there's a 50 to 60% chance of rain. So hopefully that'll keep everybody away. It's not gonna keep us away. Sometimes you gotta go through the hard stuff to get to the beautiful stuff. So I guess let's pack it up and see where it goes. And it is so beautiful. We went there, we took some pictures, took some videos, and honestly just chilled out, and it was an amazing time. If you're in Chiang Mai, it's like an hour and 30 minutes, depending if you have a guide or if you're riding a bike by yourself. I definitely recommend riding a bike or a motorbike of some kind. It was definitely worth it. We had a blast doing it. I mean, our butts kind of hurt towards the end, and now we have to drive back. But it was definitely worth it. We had a blast. So
For climbing up.
Okay, yeah. The climbing up, as you can tell, we are out of breath and we are beyond tired. Can't wait to get back to the bike, get the water, and my chips. But definitely come out here if you're in the Chiang Mai area. So now we're gonna get back on the bikes, ride an hour and a half back down, and probably go grocery shopping or try to find some food because we're hungry. Alright, so we have made it back to Chiang Mai. We are in like a little like food market, and it's pretty cool and interesting. They have like these little chicken on a stick with like teriyaki. They got little strawberry smoothies, indulging on smoothies. But yeah, so I forgot to mention earlier, but that waterfall was completely free. We had our own scooter, had our own gas, so we went up there, and it's supposed to be like, according to Google, it was closed at 5 o'clock. We got there like 5:18, but there were still people swimming and still people like down there. So we went ahead and started swimming anyway, which was really cool. I mean, most of the time we had like our little section to ourselves, which was great. So it was a long drive back, and it was like in like dusk, I guess. So it was like the sun was going like mid down, whatever. But we just got to the market. We got a little bit of food. We're starving. We'll probably find some more food. Probably go and get like some kind of groceries somewhere, and then probably go home and cash out because we're really tired. I don't know what the plan is yet. We have a plan tomorrow for Allie, and then before that I don't know what we're gonna do, and after that I don't know what we're gonna do. So tomorrow is still kind of open for new ideas. Alright guys, so we are back at our Airbnb. We couldn't find a grocery store really anywhere close, so we went to 7-Eleven and just got some like odd and end things. I ate street food tonight, so I am pretty full. Allison is still a little hesitant on eating street food, so she's not a big fan of it yet. So she went to 7-Eleven and got some spicy ramen noodles, which she couldn't handle the last time. So I'll probably watch her cry again. But she's watching me, she can hear me. But that is all for today and all for this vlog. Definitely tune in for the next couple of day vlogs because we are in Chiang Mai. There's more waterfalls to come, there's elephants to come, maybe we'll throw in some tigers. Definitely stay tuned, definitely keep watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification if you like my videos. And that's about all there is for tonight. So let's see where the adventure takes us tomorrow.